Hello and congratulations with earning free makeup rewards. I'm here to show you how to use your makeup rewards. So you want to go to my website and click hellotreebeauty.com, and then you want to log in. So once you log in, then you need to go shopping. So you click the login button, and then you want to go to the shop button and add the items to your cart that you want to order. So I've already added the mascara, and I've added a collection to my cart. So I've already added those to my cart so I can easily show you how to use it. So go to proceed to checkout, and then once you click your cart, you're going to see here it says my shopping cart, and it's going to say you've earned product credit. So it has the half off and it has my unique cash. So you can see I have a lot. That's just the perks of being a unique presenter. And so I'm going to pretend that this is you. Like, let's say you earn $20 unique cash and one half off voucher. So over here where it says enter the cash you want to apply, you can do the full amount or you can just do the half amount, however much you want to use on this order. So I'm going to do $20, and then I'm going to redeem my half off, which I'm going to get the collection half off. What's so crazy is, yes, you can get the collection completely half off, ladies. Isn't that amazing? So the unique cash has been applied, the half off has been applied, so now it's going to come out to $146 for that full collection and the mascara. Important thing to know is the half off voucher and the unique cash cannot be used on the same item. So for example, I couldn't have used the half off and the unique cash on just the collection or on just the mascara. It has to be on two separate products. And another great thing is your rewards are good for 1 year. So don't feel like you have to use both in the same order. You can use them in separate orders, and your rewards are good for 1 year. So that's how you use your Hostess rewards. Congratulations once again. I'm so excited for you to use them and for you to get your discount on your makeup. Thank you so much. Have a great day.